So please tell us your name.
My name is Aweda Bolaji, President, University of Ibadan Student Union.
So tell us why you are here.
Okay, so we are here to protest against the persistent blackout in University College Hospital that has affected and crumbled the education of our fellow students in University College Hospital and by extension University of Ibadan. So the blackout has lingered for over 82 days now, and for over 2 months there's been no light at University College Hospital, which has affected the livelihood of our students. People cannot function normally. You understand what you need light for, especially for students who need to study and do a whole lot of things. So the lack of electricity here is why we're out on the street today.
Okay, so before now, have you reached out to the school management?
Yes, we have reached out to the school management severally, and it's a kind of power play between the University College management and then the University of Ibadan management. It's a joint business, and there are a lot of things to do with it. Okay. In Nigeria who are currently facing the same blackout. Yes. Number two, the implementation of the 50% discount of tariff announced by the Ministry of Power last year in August, and number three, the reform of the health sector in Nigeria.
Okay.